What if a $2,000 emergency hit you tomorrow and you didn't panic? No debt, no stress, just money ready. In this video, I'll show you how to build an emergency fund in 2026, even if you're bad with money. This is a simple, realistic guide to building an emergency fund from zero. No hype, no confusing terms, just steps that actually work. Life is expensive and unpredictable. Your car breaks down, your hours get cut, a medical bill shows up out of nowhere. Most people don't have cash ready, so they use credit cards or loans. That means high interest, stress, and falling behind even faster. The scary part? Many people don't even have 1 month of expenses saved. You've heard this before. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. That sounds overwhelming, so people do nothing, or they put the money in investments that drop when they need cash the most. We need a plan that's small, realistic, and hard to mess up. Here are 3 beginner-friendly steps that actually work. Step 1. Set 2 clear goals. First, set 2 goals, not 1. Goal 1. A starter emergency fund. That's $500 to $1,000. This covers small emergencies like car repairs or urgent bills. Goal 2. A full emergency fund. Take your monthly essential expenses, rent, food, utilities, insurance. Multiply that by 3 or 6. If your job is stable, aim for 3 months. If your income is unstable or you're self-employed, aim for 6. Simple math, clear target. Step 2. Keep the money safe and accessible. This money is not for investing, it's for safety. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account, a money market account, or short-term CDs. You want 3 things: safe, liquid, easy to access. A smart trick? Split it. Keep your starter fund instantly available, and the rest earning interest, but still safe. Step 3. Automate everything. This is where most people win or fail. Set a transfer for payday, even $25 or $50. When saving is automatic, you don't rely on motivation, you rely on systems. Also, use windfalls wisely. Tax refund, bonus, extra income, send 50 to 80% straight to your emergency fund. Here are 5 quick ways to grow it faster. Use a separate savings account. Track progress visually. Progress bars work. Send side hustle income directly to savings. Pause one subscription temporarily. Use Roundup or spare change apps. This money is only for real emergencies. Job loss, medical bills, urgent repairs. Not vacations, not shopping, not treat yourself moments. If you use it, rebuild it within 3 to 6 months. Example: Sarah spends $1,500 per month on essentials. Her starter goal was $1,000. She automated $75 per paycheck and added part of her tax refund. In 6 months, she had enough to cover a major repair. No credit cards needed. Let's recap. Start with $500 to $1,000. Calculate your 3 to 6 month target. Keep money safe and liquid. Automate everything. Use it only for real emergencies. Your challenge. Today, move just $25 into a separate savings account. Small action beats perfect plans. If this helped, subscribe for simple personal finance videos. Like this video if you're starting an emergency fund. Comment below. Is your starter goal $500 or $1,000? And share this with someone who needs it.